Good morning. Welcome back to the homestead. It's December 31st. It's New Year's Eve. And we have a little bit of an earthquake update today. We've had a 2.1 magnitude earthquake in Arkansas, which occurred today at 14:53 hours UTC time or 08:53 local time. The earthquake was located at a depth of 3 kilometers. The epicenter was 6 miles south of Clinton, Arkansas, 10 miles north-northwest of Damascus, Arkansas, and 12 miles west-southwest of Fairfield Bay, Arkansas. So that's your update for today. I want to thank you for sticking with us through all these updates. I'd like to take this time to wish everyone a very, very happy and prosperous 2013. Please have fun tonight as you celebrate the coming of the New Year's and stay safe. And for all my viewers out there, have a blessed New Year's. Thank you.